Here, a sense of ease lingers. This is Yunnan. Dianchi's waves lap the shore. Black-headed gulls snatch bread from visitors' hands. Wind from their wings sways roses at Yunnan flower market, soft and slow. In the alley, a small pot rice noodle stall simmers and steams. Look up jacarandas, like purple mist, drift onto flagstones. The mountains of Zhehei grow right out of the water. 2,000 peak forests pierce through 54 lakes, like green candles stuck there, carelessly, by some wandering hand. Qinglong Mountain's shadow rests heavy on the water's floor. One dip of an oar, and half the mountain shatters. Kangshan's snowmelt trickles down to Erhai, where the lake shimmers like a sheet of undyed silk. Along the shore, by grannies hang tie-dye cloth to dry indigo patterns billowing, as if the mountain's fog had seeped into the fabric. In Shizhou's lanes, milk fans glow pale gold in the sun, their milky sweetness drifting past lane mouths. At stalls, erkui sizzle and steam on griddles. Jade Dragon Snow Mountain's snow-capped peak presses down on clouds, white as undyed prayer flags. Mid-slope, circular arrays of prayer flags hang 5-colored silk ribbons spiral toward the sky. As wind sweeps by, every fold shakes loose whispers of blessing. Mountain shadows spill downward, just covering the ancient town's upturned eaves. Far off, Wenfeng Temple hides in pine waves. Eve tips toss clouds, kissing the snow mountain's shadow. Lugu Lake's blue sees into the soul. Its surface lies mirror-smooth, sharp enough to catch the flutter of one's own lashes. Pig trough boats glide by. Ripples from the wooden oar take ages to reach Lige Peninsula across the way. Mosuo girls' silver bangles clink against the boat's sides. A tinkle that startles black-headed gulls. They skim the water, water on their wings dripping like pearls. Shangri-La's air is soaked in grass scent. Songzhenlin Monastery's golden roof shimmers into a scatter of gold. Dukizong's prayer wheel creaks on its bronze axle. And Shudu Lake chills to the roots of spruces. In rainy season western Yunnan forests, mushrooms peek out from pine needles foragers' baskets fill. Mushroom hot pot simmers over the fire pit. Its aroma drifts, spilling over Balagzong Gorge.